You're white?
It's you.
I'm white, man.
Ooh.
You go.
That white power isn't working so well for you guys. All right. One round 5 jokes, Francisco. Because we can call ice on you, we're gonna make you go first. You okay with that?
Yeah.
All right, Chris.
Don't call ice, please.
Everybody, battle. Come on. Let's go.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Francisco.
I don't know, Chris somehow, Christina, I think that's his name. He has the face of a 12-year-old and the body of a cafeteria lady. Somehow he's going through puberty and menopause at the same time.
Pretty agitated, so that makes sense. Francisco's dad beat him as a kid. Yep. Yeah, most fathers and sons bond over a good game of cash, but his dad bonded over a good game of bare-knuckle boxing.
Yeah, man, my dad hit me so hard, I wish he was black so he wouldn't be around. The only sex Chris has had is his grandpa came home drunk and he thought it was his grandma, so he titty fucked him. Oh yeah, let me come to titties.
You got a good looking grandpa, so fuck you guys. Shit.
It was dark and you look like a fat lady.
Francisco went to a Venezuelan Catholic school, which is just like an American Catholic school, but the sex priest smells like dirt, beans, and third world cum. Yeah. And you get sick from the holy water.
Also, it had electricity and water, and it was fun. But Chris, this guy is so stupid and fat. He supports slavery just because he thinks black people were picking cotton candy. It's not cotton candy, you fat bitch. You look like you're made of cotton candy. You're so fat you cry marshmallow. Sorry.
One thing Francisco and I have in common is we were both raped at 8 by 13-year-olds. Yeah. The only difference is I was raped by a strong, capable boy and I put up a fight, and Francisco was raped by a small, frail woman with ease.
Yeah, she was...
What a faggot, am I right?
That is true. She was 13, I was 28, and... Chris, he got molested. He's so stupid. He got molested by a 13-year-old that you had to suck his dick for cake. You told me that. How many times did you blow this guy? Holy shit, you're obese.
I made him come every time. I got that cum out and I got that red velvet cake. Don't worry. Francisco's daytime hobby is teaching women how to tango while aggressively groping them. Yep. He's like, don't worry, I'm just teaching you how to dance.
Last one?
This is something you guys don't know about Chris Rees. He's 50% Mexican.
Mm-hmm.
And 100% white fat bitch.
Francisco's from Venezuela, which is such a shithole, so when racists start to yell at him, "Go back to your country!" they go, "Oh no, you're from Venezuela? Well, stay here for the love of God." Yeah, that bomb. You won.
Oh man. Hey,
Keep it going, everybody. Francisco Rincon and Chris Rees. Yes, Francisco, go ahead.
well, if Chris went to Venezuela, they would put an apple in his mouth thinking it's a pig. Let's eat him.
He called you a pig.
I'd feed your whole country.
You should probably go to Venezuela so you can lose some weight, you fat bitch.
No, America's just fine, dog.
Ooh, baguette. That sounds like a baguette, but anyway, yeah.
What?
Keep it going. Chris Rees versus Francisco Rincon. This was good on Univision. This was good. Let's start with Adam Lucky. Who do you like in this one, Adam?
That was interesting. It was like Fez from That 70s Show versus every character from That 70s Show crammed into one fat body. Chris, you got destroyed. You should be ashamed, dude. You got your ass kicked by fucking Puss in Boots. There's not much. I would just say, Chris, feel bad about it. Let it hurt you, and just fucking you failed. America, mostly. Get the fuck out of my country. Yeah, no, Chris did really, really bad. Francisco won by as far as you can. Literally. The furthest you could do, he did it. So yeah.
Yeah, that was not good, dude. Ricky Ricardo just beat you like you were Lucy, okay? That was not good. Very easy. Francisco won. Also, Chris, you look like 4 Oompa Loompas in a Where's Waldo costume. So, I guess take that and do what you will with it.
I just want to say I love both of you. This is an eye-opener for me. I have never seen a Mexican lesbian that large in person. And I didn't know till tonight that Francisco was Spanish for Chad, so that's fantastic. But Francisco beat your ass so bad that I think now you should have to move to Venezuela.
It's tough.
Yeah, I agree. I don't know how you get beaten by someone who doesn't speak English. Oh my god. This battle was like the 2 different types of guys that roofied me in college. But yeah, Francisco, Chris, you know. And I applaud you for acknowledging how badly he beat you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well done.
Crushed me.
Well done. Hell yeah, Francisco.
Yeah. This is for his green card. Fuck yeah.
Francisco, you look like when you talk to a girl on the phone, you lay on your stomach.
Kim, I just want to say that you're beautiful.
What?
I just want to say that you're beautiful.
Gay?
Can I
Thank you.
San
This is
Antonio
great.
battle.
This is really great. Chris, you look like Blandy Milanakis. It was not good, dude. You have the body shape of a marshmallow in a microwave.
It's very neat.
This battle was crazy. I don't know, Chris. I had more hope. I know that I've seen you do this before. I know you've got jokes. You're funnier than this, to be honest. Tonight you showed up looking like you like PCP, if you know what I mean.
Porn. Child porn.
This is really great. I don't know. I thought you were gonna do more. You seem like you have a hunch for comedy. But tonight Francisco took it. That was fucking great.
It is true. My main concern this entire battle was his posture. It is unbelievable. Everybody's making fun of your weight. Everybody ignored that you're shaped like the letter F. It is incredible. You are the hunchback of no jokes. You got bodied by fucking Pee Wee Hermano tonight. It's unbelievable. Very one-sided. I don't know if I mentioned that this has been a bad showing for white guys tonight, but I'll say it again. And Francisco Rincon with his own unbelievable fucking... Leave it to one of these people to have a good delivery system, you know what I mean? It's incredible. I love the long fucking winded delivery. You have your own voice so well figured out. You're like unlike anybody else. Incredible performance. You owned it the entire time. Just calling him a fat bitch. It's really gonna haunt him. This is not something he's gonna get over easily. After this, you're gonna go, I won that night. You're gonna have great memories, and it's always, he's probably never gonna battle anything again other than diabetes. I always thought Hannah Gatsby sucked before tonight, and then I saw her do her first roast battle, and the Nets. It's incredible, absolutely. Francisco Rincon, all the way.
So I won.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner